Alright guys, welcome to my weekly recap on Philippine Challenge. Alright, so today is Wednesday and you all can see I am in profit right here. I'm in profit about GBP JPY. I took this clean trade, $21 107. My equity is running. This was a very perfect trade that I took, but guys, something happened later. Greed came over to take me out. All right, you can see the trade, perfect trade, everything was very clear. I was just looking at how it is. First I saw is look at 117. Now we are up, right? So this was on Wednesday. I got a good buy from GBP JPY. Okay, right here I closed some profit. I closed out, the profit is $27 on the whole, just one loss on gold. All right, okay, so guys, let's see. Okay, so I left one position to be running. I put a break even on that for me to see what will happen. Okay, this was me setting the break even. All right, then I was still looking at the chart, guys. It's not good to be greedy and to be looking at the chart after a win. So alright, so guys, I saw a good setup on gold, a supply demand. So guys, I took this trade. You can see my analysis. I was reading this book same day. All right, Psychology of Money. So I saw this setup. I took a scalp on 5 minutes time frame. All right, okay, so you all can see how the price is moving. So let's see what happened. Boom, you see that's quick scalp on gold. So guys, I made a good profit on Wednesday, but at the end it's gonna shock you guys. Greed came to take everything out from me. So guys, you see my trade, very perfect trade on Wednesday. So guys, this was how my trade went, and now it is running about 115 because I took a loss again. Okay, I came back, all right, to make back the profit. So this gold trade helped me to make about like a more $8 or so, running to 120 or $117. So but guys, something bad happened, guys. So you can see I was targeting that level, but price did not hit that level. You see right here we are running 120 in my equity. All right, don't forget this account started with so guys, don't forget this account started with 27 or 21 dollars. Okay, so I'm trying to raise this account to something reasonable, right? Testing my strategy, right? So guys, yeah, so let's see how it goes. So something bad happened, right? So let me show you guys. So guys, just look at this GBP JPY. I went to take another position. This was midnight. You can see minus $27. All right, the next day, which is Thursday, right? So I went back to take more trades, out of greed. So look at what happened. I bought and the price was dropping. I lost like $40 out of that $120. Guys, see where my greed has gotten me to. So guys, it's not good to be greedy. You take a trade and you want to go back again to take again. I was like, let me just take this one. From there greed took me over and I was trading in the midnight. Can you just imagine? So which is not good. So but me, I know that price was going to buy on GBP JPY, just that it is not yet ready, and I entered very early. All right, so entering trade in Asian session was not my thing, and this was out of greed. I don't know what happened, but it just happened. Guys, you can see my price was down, my balance was down about $40. See, so this was how I took loss throughout Thursday. So I took another entry, right? All right, so you guys can see. So this was my trade. I just left it and set and forget. I knew price was giving me this bullish chart pattern that I saw there. So I said it's either if you break this below, it's gonna go down. If it stays above, it's gonna continue up. So guys, this was how I just kept this trade until Friday. All right, today is still Thursday. Okay, this was when I just left my charts, keep on setting it and assuming what will happen. You guys can see the chart pattern right there. All right, it's showing us a symmetrical triangle, bullish symmetrical triangle, or whatever, or I don't know, whatever it's called. So you guys can see $66 after the 120 we made on Wednesday. So this was on Thursday. So price was still giving me a good move. So I said, okay, I'm gonna leave it. I left the chart. I left it. So and hopefully I recovered some money right here. So this was the setup I saw. So this setup gave me some good quick scalp, all right, to that high. So I entered this trade right here, so and scalped it a little bit, all right. And here I was checking what will happen next. But this was I think in the morning I was checking my chart. This was like Asian session, Australian session, you know. So and price gave me this little push that I used to recover, you know, to boost my equity. You know, flipping challenge has to do with you trying to gain more for you to add more, gain more, add more. You know, you gain, you close. So I gained this, then I had to close this TP and made some few money for my margin to increase a little bit for me to continue, right? So right here you guys can see $20 up, all right. So I have made back that money back. So this is on, I think this was on Thursday, all right. Oh yes, this was on Thursday. So I had to close this thing right here. I had to close. I'm gonna close very soon. Because I'm just trying to gain more balance in my equity, about $21. So we are getting back $87. You can see, guys. So from 66 to 87. So we recovered back our losses, right? Recovered back the losses that we made on Wednesday. So because you guys can see the loss we had, so now we are 87. So I managed to close this position right here. Managed to close this position, and here you can see going about 123. So right, boom, I took another trade. So guys, finally Thursday is over. So I still left that Friday position right so there. I took this position, you know, I just set and forget it. You can see I'm seeing this bullish flag pattern right here. All right, so I'm very sure the price was going up. So I was so confident in my trade that I left it. So guys, something happened. I just, you know, sometimes trading is so frustrating. So what I did was I just deleted my MT5, guys. I deleted my MT5 because I didn't want to go back and be checking my chart. So guys, whatever you're going to do for you to be disciplined in trading, you just have to do it, all right? So because trading is something that it's gonna be pushing you to go back to the chart. So why most traders lose is that after they take a good trade or after they make losses, they still go to the chart, keep it on looking at the chart, keep on setting, keep on looking, finding entries. You know, that spirit you'll be telling you, be showing you good pattern. So but once you have entered that trade, something strange will just happen and everything will just go. So guys, we are still on this one now on Friday. So I still left it running a drawdown. So as you all can see, I was still in drawdown right here. I took the trade at very high position, you know. It wasn't a very good one, but I just left it. So you can see, guys, price is beginning to reverse at that supply level, right? So I just left the charts too. I was just checking how it will go because I saw three kind of patterns. I also make use of the chart patterns for me to take my trades. So guys, you can see the price is going up now. Price is beginning to push, right? Price is beginning to push right here. So we are regaining back strength. So GBP JPY is just gaining back strength. So guys, I've been trading this GBP JPY for a long time, so I have mastered this, all right. So I knew what will happen, so I just kept calm. So this was one of the trades I called out on Thursday. So but I did not take this trade, so I just left my trade. So guys, we are back again. All right, we are back again. This is today, which is Friday. So as you all can see, we are gaining back our lost position, right? We are gaining back our lost position. Price is gradually picking up. So finally we are up, right? $84. We are regaining back. Remember, I got $120, then lost back like $40 out of greed. Okay, so but hope by God's grace I get back to my chart. Then took this setup right here. This was a gold trade on Thursday, right? So yes, we are up now. So guys, we are up back again. Today is Friday, right? So you guys can see how we managed to get back our position, right? So this was very late entry, right? It was very high, you know. It was very high entry. I shouldn't have entered at that point. You know, it was out of greed, but because of price is overall bullish, that was why I was able. But on a normal day, this was supposed to take me out, right? This was supposed to take me out. It's a very high risk trade that I took in this position, right? So guys, it is what it is. So let's go. So finally guys, so we are up, and this is where we close for this week. So guys, if you like this sort of content, just follow for more. So I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated on this flipping challenge, right? So guys, we made back our profit, so let's go.